jackpot. I usually make one video of Thunderstorm, but tonight I made 6. 1 of the weather, and 5 of these. You know, I have a pet peeve. People sneezing in my face, or without saying bless you. Ugh. Look at the WTC. The lightning loves to keep striking that, and they has lightning conductors. I will show you the ESB. My son's obsessed with the Empire State Building where stepdad works, but he kind of missed his birthday. He had the eclipse on it. Lucky him. I wrote on his Facebook wall that his heart is as big as the sun eclipse. For doing what he does for his wife and me and Harley. Even though I'm not happy about the marriage being over between my mom and dad, they are still friends. They still fight. My dad likes to scream, but that's a hobby for him. It's like filming videos, a hobby for me. After this, if it continues to get worse, I'm just going to rock and roll. Here's the thunder. Turn your speakers. There is definitely some activity. I feel like I'm here in captivity tonight. I'm a poet too. If you see me in those 80s glasses, it wasn't a rat. Wait, why am I pointing it at me? I always stick my tongue out in every Snapchat video. Me and Harley make videos. He goes, I'm a puppy! And the tongue is flying out. I go, whoop, whoop, whoop. I could sound like a dog. Whoop, 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 whoop. Blues Clues. Puppy. That's my son. He goes like this. It's funny. I think he's farting in his sleep. I when he's awake, and for goodness sake. I saw a photo of my ex, number 2. I have a lot of exes. I'm not giving names out. My first, one of my true love in St. Zachary, or Philip. And he grew up to look like a drunken Jesus. I guess I got a type. I love men that look like Jesus. He's hot. I said this in many videos. Even though I'm Jewish, I gotta say, it's winding down. I'm like the wind-up record here. As the wind is blowing the rain in my face, look at the trees blowing. This is a real storm. A rainbow would be good in the nighttime mix. I heard of a moonbow. Sundogs. You know, think I read the Dorling Kindersley books? Read the DK books for the kids. They're the best publisher. I saved it as a child, knowing I was going to have kids one day. I want to have a baby again. Another baby. It's my biggest dream, and no one, not even my mother, if she was against it, is going to stop me. It's going to stop me from the first one. And I don't care. I'm not going through donations to get it. Whoever gives the agreement to give me a baby, we're going to do it. That's a joke. My man and I want to have a baby. So, part 5 doesn't look this good as the others, so it's still a pass to go on the internet. And I hate when people from California go internet. What is it? Internet or outernet? I used to be shy. I am. I'm afraid to go back in the acting industry. I'm afraid to perform in front of a crowd. I'm afraid to pursue my ex. But I was wanted to say, look at Jim Morrison before he died. I forgot to add that in. I got carried away by the storm. But even though Ori turned out better looking, there goes more lightning. I still love the other guy more. Even though it's love. You know the Captain and Tennille song?